over here with the Hyde and the Jekyll guys, man. I'm walking around here, man. They out here at North Star trying to find out what time it is. Let's see what time it is with these guys, man. There you go. There go Big Earl sitting right there. Legendary Big Earl. Walk over here and see what's happening. Hey, what's happening, Jeff, man?
Oh, man, just out at the track trying to get the cars to go down them tonight.
Man, let me ask you a question, man. I know y'all come back from Rockingham, man, and I know y'all had some mishaps out there, man, but, a lot of them guys, man, they think they really tough now because they feel like, you know, they got the best of y'all, man. Got anything to say about that, man?
Hey, you know what? We got our work cut out for us, but hey, we're just trying to get some more races out of it. You know, we're always ready to race, and it's anybody's race when we go down there.
Let me ask you a question, man. I know y'all been going out there for the last 3 or 4 times, man. You know, I really feel like they need to come back this way and race y'all, man. You know, and once we find out, like I said, you know a guy named Blue Magic.
Yes, I do.
Man, those guys, man, I talk to them every day, man, pretty much, man. They keep saying they gonna come, but I want to see if they gonna really come, man. And the rest of them guys, man, you know, if they say they so fast, or they the fastest around the world, what you need to do is travel around the world like you and Matt. Then find out if you're the fastest, man. What do you think about that?
Hey, that's the way it's, if you're gonna be the fastest, you gotta leave town to find out how fast you are. And that's what we've done. And we're going to find out in November because Phil's coming up here with the Shadow, October 12th, and we're going to find out a little more about who's fastest.
Well, let me get Matt some input on Matt. But come over here, man, with your partner, man, partner in crime, man. Say, man, let me ask you a question, man. You know, they say you talk a lot of mess, man, but you know what, though? You know, I've been knowing you for a long time, at least 25 years plus. And like I tell them, 9 times out of 10, you usually bag it up, man. And I know, like I said, when y'all went out to Rockingham, man, you know, they was scared before y'all got down there, but you know, they felt like y'all thought y'all was a machine, but they really found out y'all was a man like they were too, so they got their little nuts up, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So we need to find out really what time it is, like I asked Jeffrey. I said, if you say you're the fastest around the world, you say you're the fastest around the world, you're supposed to go around the world and find out if you're the fastest. What you got to say about that, man?
I don't know what to do with my hands right now. I'm not really sure, but hey, you know what? Those guys over there on the East Coast, they saw something that we are not unbeatable. Everybody's so damn scared of Jekyll and Hyde, and we've run this, we've run that, but you know what? We just got cars we bring to the track to race. If they want to race, we'll bring it to them. If they come to Texas, we'll give them a race. But that's all we're saying. We want to take over the Grudge World in the back half, and by the end of this year, if we hadn't raced every badass back half in the country, then we haven't done our job. And so far, we've not backed down from one car. So,
but you know, one thing I can actually say, what you say is true, man. Like I said, a lot of these guys, man, they talk about how fast they is upstate. But they need to come down this way to see if you really as fast as you say you is. You know, they got a group of guys that I've seen, they got a little clique they going on, and amongst all them, I guess they say they the fastest. But like I said, when Texas went down to Rockingham, and the first time and showed them a little something, you know, ever since then they've been afraid of y'all, man. And the thing, like I told everybody else, if you say you're fast, you got to go around the world to let everybody know, are you the fastest or are you just talking, one or two? But we here at NSD tonight, and like I tell everybody else, y'all always test and tuning. That's what real true girls races do to the game, man. They always test and tuning because this is an ongoing deal right here. But once again, man, y'all see it right here in the face. You got Jeff, you got Matt. They always together trying to make it happen, man. I appreciate you guys, man, and man, good luck for the future, man. One thing about it though, man, y'all keep Texas jumping around here, man.
All right, thanks.
Appreciate it, man.
Thanks, man.